What's good? It's your boy Trent, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new album review. Y'all already know what it is. Adele just dropped 30. So we about to check out the songs, the rest of the songs. I already reacted to the song she had dropped earlier this week. But we about to check out the rest of the album. We about to see if we like it or we don't like it. And if this y'all first time watching me, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel because we're going to check out every song, every track. And unlike other reactors and other YouTubers, we're going to listen to the whole thing. No skips, no pauses, no nothing but jamming. We're going to listen to it together. You dig? Because this is Adele. You know what I'm saying? We want to hear it all the way through. All the way. You dig? So make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, all that stuff, and let's check this out. You dig?
Going a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
This Strangers by Nature. Don't worry about me eating. I'm about to eat while we listen to this. You dig? Strangers by Nature.
I'll be taking flowers to the cemetery of my heart for all of my lovers in the present and in the dark. Every anniversary I'll pay respects and say I'm sorry for they never stood the chains as if they could, when no one knows what it's like to be hurt.
Nobody know what it's like to be up.
I've never seen the sky this color before. It's like I'm noticing everything a little bit more. Now that all the dust has settled, I rebut all my rebuttals. No one knows what it's like to
I rebuttal all my rebuttals.
Strangers by nature. Strangers by Alright, then I'm ready.
Strangers by Nothing, you know what I'm saying? I mean, Strangers by Nature, excuse me. It's a cool song, good way to start off the album. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the song she dropped earlier this week, I know that. But it's cool, you know what I'm saying? I like it. You know what I mean? I know the next song is To Be Loved, where she sang her ass off. No, it's Easy on Me, where she sang her ass off. But hey, I like the song. Tell me what y'all think about it. Excuse me for eating. I'm hungry than a bitch. I'm high than a bitch. Let me stop cursing. But that's Strangers by Nature. You understand me? Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, comment. You dig? We about to check out the next video. You dig? I holla.